test drive the 2019 Discovery. The Discovery is a mid-sized SUV with true off-road capabilities from the British car maker Land Rover. This 5-door SUV will take you through town with ease and allow you comfort and security in extreme driving conditions. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power moonroof, rear fog light, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.